Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and the laws that are shaping its future. If you're curious about how AI is being regulated and the steps being taken to protect human rights, you're in the right place. Let's get started. In a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, it's crucial to have the right laws in place to ensure its responsible development and usage. Currently in the United States, there are no federal laws specifically governing AI. However, the White House has stepped in with a groundbreaking initiative, introducing the Blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights. This set of guidelines comprises 5 key principles designed to safeguard the American public. Principle 1. Protecting individuals from systems considered unsafe or ineffective. Principle 2. Preventing discrimination and ensuring fairness in AI systems. Principle 3. Ensuring transparency and accountability in AI's decision-making processes. Principle 4. Promoting public participation to ensure AI serves the best interests of society. Principle 5. Enhancing governance and oversight to maintain ethical AI practices. But that's not all. The Council of Europe is also stepping up to the plate. They've released a comprehensive report titled Unboxing Artificial Intelligence: 10 Steps to Protect Human Rights. Step 1. Mandating human rights impact assessments for all AI projects. Step 2. Demanding transparency and accountability from AI developers. Step 3. Encouraging public participation in shaping AI's role in our lives. While we're still awaiting comprehensive AI-specific legislation, existing regulations do come into play. Data protection, consumer protection, and market competition laws may apply to AI systems. And some regions are already taking action. For example, New York has passed a bill requiring companies to disclose their use of AI algorithms in employee selection. As AI continues to reshape our world, it's heartening to see steps being taken to ensure its ethical and responsible integration. From the White House's principles to the Council of Europe's steps, the future of AI regulation looks promising. Stay tuned for more fascinating discussions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.